Hello. It's been a long time since I've done a video, and life's been real busy. With the whole Broadcom buying VMware and then making ESXi free go away, that kind of hurt. So I got a couple videos on proxmox. I could learn, I just don't have the time. So ESXi I really like. I just want to give you my quick last 2 days. I installed ESXi8 and it worked. Okay, great. We're cool. And it worked simple, quick, and easy. And I couldn't get video pass through going. I couldn't get TPM going. So somebody on the forums, I use hard forum and serve the home. And I like those two are like the only forums you ever need. And people said, get away from VMware, just go proxmox. It's a big learning curve, do it. And I did. And I got further, but something about the disks, it just is an annoyance. I don't want to learn. I need my lab up. I'll do a proxmox secondary server and get it running. Anyway, so I redid VMware again, have vCenter installed, so we're good to go. My processor is not that great. I think it's quad core. It's a 4-core, 8-thread. So I got 16 threads. I do have 382 gig of RAM. I do have some drive. I just want to throw this together. I've really done nothing other than install ESXi and then install vCenter. So let's take a quick peek, right? So as you see, I have my lab. I have my ESXi host in here and my vCenter as a VM. All right. Data storage. I have one because I did the sorry, I didn't sleep while I'm trying to think. I did one storage data store because you have to, because I did one VM. All right, let's go ahead and take a look here. All right. Let's see. All right, so I had to take a quick jump back into the actual ESXi. I mean, it's super simple. Storage, new data store. The button's right here, and you're good to go. You can see I got drives, so that's not an issue. Coming back here to vCenter, I kind of want to get used to this and try and use this more to figure it out. So clicking on the server itself, clicking on data storage, unless I'm blind, I do not see an add button here. Maybe it's under there now. Okay. So we right click the server. There is a storage, new data store. Okay. Create a VMS, Discord disk line, create an NFS, over to network, vvol, virtual volume data store and storage container. Nope, VMFS. So then go through. All right, we're going to call this one SSD02. Does this show us what we have? Not, well, at least in the name, it has. All right, so this one. I know you can do RAID, you can stripe, whatever. I don't know. I'm not worried about it. Just individual drives. I don't care what happens to them. Next, finish. Here's that one. I right click here and nope, it's my normal stuff. Storage, new data store. Next. Three. Pretty quick, pretty simple. All right. That is that. Just keep going. I gotta get all my storage set up. VME, they're all my smaller NVMe. I want to go by name, smallest to biggest. My 3 SSDs are 500s. So this is 256. So we will go. Let's just keep going. One. Finish. Data store. I'm going to skip this. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. I'm gonna knock it out of here. Don't mess up my order. Something I personally wanted to have. SSD01, all these states are 0 unknowns. We need nvme 2 and up. All right. Just continue through. And I could pause it and then do it and see what I'm going through. It's actually not that hard. 4. No, 4. No, 4's right. And then 5 next. All right. Hello. And you know what? I'm going to do these in small clips, a couple minutes each. It's all about storage. Let's go ahead and take a look. So we're only 6 minutes in. So now that I have all my data stores, now if we come over here, now we have all right. 4.39 terabytes available. SSD01 has my vCenter. Probably also a monitor, figure, permission files. Right? New folder. Come on. So this is one of the things I liked about ESXi over proxmox right off the bat. For you to do an ISO folder, you have to do a directory, but then you need to assign a disk. And it's just, at least with this, you drop anything anywhere. So that's why I'm happy with ESXi for now. Play around. First to figure out what we got going on. All right, so drives. There's nothing else really to tell you about drives. That's a nice under 8-minute video. All right, so after this, we're going to poke around with some other system settings. All right, talk to you in a little bit.